Hey everyone, my name's Max Curry and my major is Computer Information Systems at Georgia State.
Hello everyone, I'm Max Curry and welcome to my Excel tutorial video. Today I will be demonstrating to you how to use formatting and validation features in Excel. I'll be showing you how to make a list validation cell B2, to establish some conditional formatting in B3, and how to insert a sparkline graph in cells B5 and B7. So to start, you're going to want to change these hashes to where you can see the entire numbers. Okay. And we're going to start by showing you how to add a list validation cell B2. So click on B2, go to the Data tab, and click on the Data Validation button. You'll hit a drop down and click Data Validation. Your settings and allow, change any value into list. We're going to want our source to be every zip code in this spreadsheet. So you're going to want which is D2 to DA2. So you're going to want to click on cell D2, hold down the clicker, and drag it right until you get to cell DA2. There we go. You're going to want to release the clicker, say OK. Go back to the beginning of the spreadsheet. And all of this data through D2 and DA2, every cell you'll be able to choose in this little drop down bar right here that's now here on cell B2. And our information is all zip codes, so you're able to click here, click a zip code, and choose it off this drop down bar, and that's a list validation, how you make one. Next, I will be showing you how to put some conditional formatting into cell B3. So click on B3, go to the Home tab, and go to the Conditional Formatting box. We're going to want to change this Atlanta text to where it is red in B4, or B3 I mean. So when it says Atlanta in B3, we want the text to be red. So go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule, click on this Format Only Cells That Contain, change Between to Equal to, type in Atlanta, just how it does in the spreadsheet. Go to Format, Color. We want it to be red. So click red, then OK. OK. And you'll see now that the text is red in cell B3 when it says Atlanta. We're going to want to do the same by making Alpharetta green and Marietta blue. So have B3 highlighted, conditional formatting, new rule, format only cells that contain, between to equal to. We're going to want to make Alpharetta green. Alpharetta, format, color, and green. Okay, okay. We're going to want to make Marietta blue now. So highlight B3, additional formatting, rule, format only cells that contain, change between to equal to, Marietta. Go to format, change the color to blue. Okay, and okay. So now, if you go to 30303, that is an Atlanta zip code, and Atlanta is in red text. 30008 is Marietta, and it's in blue text now, like we just made it do. 30305 is Atlanta, and it's in red text again. 30004 Alpharetta, that's in green text like we just formatted to be. 30331 is Atlanta, and Atlanta is red in cell B3 like we formatted to be. Okay, so that's how you do some conditional formatting for a specific cell. And now I'm going to show you how to insert column style sparkline graphs in cells B5 and B7. So highlight cell B5, go to insert, under spark lines, you want to click line, and we want our data range to be D5 through DA5. So D5 colon DA5. The location range is B5. That means it's going to put the graph into cell B5. That's what we want. Click OK. So here's our sparkline graph, and this represents all of this data from D5 all the way down here to DA5. So that's all of the data that this sparkline graph is referencing, and we're going to do that again in cell B7. Highlight B7, go to insert, sparklines, hit line. We want our data range for this one to be D7 colon DA7. So our location range is B7. That means it's going to insert our graph into cell B7, and it represents all of this data from D7 to DA7 at the end again. And this is our graph. So that's about it for today. And I hope y'all enjoyed my demonstration on formatting and validation features in Excel. And I'll send y'all off with a joke real quick. So this guy got hit with a can of Coke the other day in the head, and he got hit pretty hard. But man, thank God it was a soft drink.